Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to write in English on Telegram and highlight some neat formatting tricks that'll help your messages stand out, whether you're chatting with friends, managing a group, or sending professional updates. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only the basics, but also how to give your messages a bit of extra polish using Telegram's built-in features. Let's dive in. First things first, a lot of people wonder if there's a special Telegram writing format, or if you need to follow unique rules to type in English on the app. The truth is, Telegram works just like any other messaging platform. You can use plain old standard English, the same way you'd write in a text message, email, or even your favorite social media. That means basic English grammar, capitalization, and punctuation, nothing complicated or formal unless you want it to be. If you're texting your friends, you can throw in slang, abbreviations like lol or brb, or keep it more formal for work chats. The style really depends on your audience. If you're not sure, think about how you'd talk to the person in real life and let that guide your tone. Now, let's talk about one of Telegram's coolest features, text formatting. This is where you can get a little fancy. Telegram supports basic markdown formatting, which lets you style your messages with bold, italics, monospace, strike-through, and links. This is super handy when you want to add emphasis or make information clearer. For example, say you want to highlight a key date in your group announcement. Just wrap your words in asterisks like asterisk this asterisk, and Telegram will make it bold. Underscores turn words into italics, backticks will show text in monospace font, and tildes add. You can even insert clickable links using square brackets and parentheses. And don't worry, you don't have to memorize all these symbols. On your phone, just type your message, long press the text, and look for options like bold or italic in the formatting menu. If you're on desktop, right-click or use shortcut keys. If you're ever unsure, Telegram's pop-up menu makes this really straightforward. Take a moment to experiment. The formatting only affects the text you've highlighted, so you can mix and match styles in one message if you like. Let me pause here for a second. If you're thinking, do I really need to format my messages? The answer is totally up to you. In group chats, it can make lists, instructions, or announcements clearer. For one-on-one talks, it helps add a personal touch, especially when you want your message to really stand out. Now about Telegram's culture and conventions, there isn't a strict set of rules, but you'll notice a few habits that have become popular among users. For casual chats, lots of people skip periods at the ends of sentences. It's all about speed and ease. Emojis play a big role too. You'll see them everywhere, helping to convey emotion, lighten the tone, or simply make the conversation more fun, just like with other messaging apps. And don't forget, voice messages are hugely popular on Telegram. If you ever feel a message is just too long to type, or if you want to share emotion or clarity that text can't quite capture, sending a quick voice note is totally normal. So in summary, writing in English on Telegram is refreshingly simple. Just type naturally. Whether you want to sound casual or formal is up to you and your conversation partner. Use those formatting tools if you want emphasis or clarity, and don't be afraid to add your own flair with emojis or voice notes. There's really no rigid Telegram writing format to worry about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any Telegram questions or if there's another tutorial you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.